Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is another super quick watch me video. Before you forget, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you already have it, and then go ahead and comment some content you guys would like for me to upload. Okay, so let's get right into this thing. So my client wanted a simple look today, so all I'm doing is sculpting a clear base for some of the nails and then using a pretty cover nude by, you already know, my favorite Valentino to complete the rest of the look. Alright guys, so when it comes to 3D flowers, I ain't no expert or anything, but you know I get the job done. So most importantly, you want to make sure you're using some sort of small tiny dense brush. Make sure it's dense, whether it be particularly made for a 3D brush or you make your own. Just make sure it's small and again dense, or you can use a large one to create bigger petals. I'll also go ahead and upload a video of me making some flowers this weekend so you guys can see it in more detailed, and yeah, it'll just be better. So when it comes to picking up the bead, I'm making sure it's more on the wet side. That way I can mold it into the shape that I need to before I begin to press it down. And also, before you get to press it down, you want to make sure your brush is on the drier side. That way you can get the texture for the petal. So again, some people kind of confuse that and they'll start to press it down when it's wet. That ain't gonna do nothing. There's gonna be a hot mess. And again, we want it to look like a flower, so make sure your brush is wet. So pretty much you're just gonna repeat the method the whole way until you're satisfied. You dig? Alright guys, so this is going to complete my voiceover for this video, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, don't forget, because I don't want y'all to forget, so I'm going to remind you again. And turn on your post notifications, that way you don't miss out on a video. And also I'm going to start doing some shout outs, so comment something that intrigues you about nails, whether you're beginning at nails, you've been doing nails, or you just simply like to watch it. Just go ahead and comment something that intrigues you again about nails, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick a person to shout out in my next video. And most importantly, y'all, I just became an ambassador for an up-and-coming nail supply store and like a brand, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna leave their information in the description box along with my discount code, y'all, so you guys can take 10% off your total. So check that out. Again, go ahead and order some stuff and use my code. That way you guys can save 10%. The store is limited at this moment. That means there's not a lot of stuff in there, but again, they're up and coming and they're only gonna be growing. So keep an eye out for that store, because they have a lot of new stuff that is just super cool. And they're also affordable, so that's something that's good. You're not gonna be spending a lot of money there, unless of course you're purchasing a lot, but they're not trying to break your account. So again, check them out, which is cool. And most importantly, I already said most importantly, what am I talking about? But in addition to that, y'all, I also became an affiliate for, y'all already know, my favorite brush company ever, Alpha Brush. Can y'all believe it? Because I can't. This is only beginning. I'm not a cuticle, whatever they call it. So basically, I'm not an ambassador. I'm just an affiliate. So that's like a step below that. So, you know, I'm aiming for the ambassador. But just go ahead and use the link that I'm going to attach to my brush. Use that so you guys can go ahead and purchase a brush through that link. Again, everyone I put on, they love Alpha Brush. I've never had someone that hasn't liked them. I don't know, the quality is just amazing. So until the day I stop doing nails, I'm always hype them up, and I'm gonna make sure y'all go ahead and purchase them. So again, I'm gonna quit rambling and let y'all just finish enjoying this video. So bye, y'all.